Hi all, good day. My name is Goldie Prince. First of all, thanks for giving me the opportunity. And I belongs to Ernakulam and I am currently pursuing Masters of Engineering from Amal College of Engineering and Technology, Kandirapalli, from Structural Engineering and Construction Management. Here, the subject of this presentation is transportation and mobility scenario at Kochi. Basically, there are three main points I want to cover today. If you look at this poster, you can see them listed there. First is to study the prevailing methods of transportation in Kochi, and second is the possible developments for solving inadequate mobility system in city and suburbs, and the third is to manage this project through Primavera software. These all done in different mode of transportation such as road transportation, mass rapid transit system, inlet water transportation at Kochi. As we all know that Kochi is the largest and densest agglomeration in Indian state of Kerala, and the road infrastructure in Kochi has not been able to meet the growing traffic demand, and hence traffic congestion is a major problem in this city. In this project, though, we are considering two main junctions such as Vaitila Junction and Ernakulam Junction. Here, the methods we considering in this project are three main methods are the study of different dependable modes of transportation like road, metro and waterways. And the second the method is field survey for understanding defects of three modes by preparing different questions for different mode of transportation. And the third is analysis of survey results and discussing all the possible solution with the innovative suggestions. After all the result, we were concluded that the urban peoples are supporting the metro system in the locality because it forms part of the standard of living in the city. But the most of the people choosing the public transportation system for the daily traveling needs in the traffic system. The reason is mainly that the ease of accessibility for road transportation over the other mode of transportation. Evidently, people use the public transportation. There is not much space for public transportation to navigate since the infrastructure is inadequate and the private vehicles take off a major part of the right of way. That's all. Thank you. Thank you all.